Anyway, this is a song by the Turnpike Troubadours. It's a song about coming home. It's about when you go in your life and you try and explore and find things going on in your life, and it doesn't quite work out how you expect it, and you come home and you hope that when you come home people will still like you, and you find out that actually they love you just the same. So this is a song called The Bird Hunters. It's by about the Turnpike Troubadours. Shotguns are singing, pointing dark down in the old London road. And Danny got three, and looked back grinning. I fumbled around and I tried to reload. The country was cold, the sun westward sinking. It's good to be back in this place, with my hands around the Belgian big band, my mind belonged to me, but I give him up when I moved to 05. Off with the girl, off to the city, off on a wing and a chance. And I found fair, just like some story, when we fell in love at a rodeo dance. She said, go on back to Cherokee County. Doesn't December's behind it, no worse for the wear. And your time spent in Tulsa did not help you soon. Look at the gray in your hair. How good does it feel? You belong in these hills. It's best that you let it all in. If you'd married that girl, you'd married a family. You dodged that bullet, my friend. She said, go on back to Cherokee County. You crawl back with nothing but a reason when it goes. Baby, if you need me, I'll be where you find me. Go on Well, I was beginning to deal with it ending. The old doggy pointed while part of me died. And it tried to defend, and a shotgun to shoulder. I thought of the 4th of July. Should be your mother 4th of July. Bet we'll dance on the 4th of July. Looks like you still got it. That's what we came here to do. Well, it's light enough still at the foot of the hill. We can pick off a single or two. She said, go on back to Cherokee County. You crawl back with nothing but a reason to let it go. Baby, if you need me, I'll be where you find me. Go on. Thanks very much.